Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I'm in a little port town called Yawatahama in Ehime Prefecture, and I'm joined by a very special guest. Hi! It's Cheesie! I'm happy that you could join us today.
Hi, I'm Cheesie. I'm a Malaysian blogger, and right now I live in Tokyo like you.
Yeah, yes, we both live in Tokyo. And today we're actually going to be joining an Eat Meat Japan award-winning tour all about Mikan.
I love Mikan. Yummy.
Yes, that's good. I'm glad you like Mikan because we're going to be seeing where they're picked. We're going to pick them ourselves, and we're going to be eating a lot of Mikan today. It's going to be so much fun.
Can't wait.
Yay! So we're going to be meeting our tour guides for today, and they're right over there.
八幡浜市ふるさと観光公社の竹下と申します。よろしくお願いします。
お願いします。
I'm Aya. I'm doing a local tourist guide. It's basically for English speaker. Nice to meet you.
That's great. Nice to meet you. So anybody who joins the tour, they can understand everything because you're here.
Yeah, I hope so.
That's
really
great.
helpful.
That's super helpful.
Thank you.
Great. So can you tell us a little bit about this area?
今日みかんの収穫とマーマレード作りしてもらうんですけど、みかんって一言に言っても、いわゆる柑橘類、愛媛県で40種類作ってます。でそのうち今日収穫するのは温州みかんというみかんになります。でその温州みかんの生産量が愛媛県の中で八幡浜市が一番多いんですよ。でここはその中でも特に有名な山で、ここで収穫したみかんが毎年東京で初競りで出てくるんですけど、なんと210個入りの箱が今年も150万で売れたんですよ。
What?
How much is that?
240 mikan,
Bug.
150man. That's like 100 man is
I don't.
$10,000 ish. じゃあ今日はプレミアムみかんを。
そう、今日美味しいところのみかん取り行く。
100万Mikan.
Amazing. We're gonna be eating some $10,000 ish mikans today.
So excited.
Very excited.
それでは行きましょう。
Let's go! Yay!
こんにちは。
こんにちは。いらっしゃいませ。
よろしくお願いし
お
ます。
願いします。
今日収穫でお世話になる、農家さんの矢野陽子さんです。
よろしくお願いし
よろしくお願いし
ます。
ます。今日はこの下になってるみかんを摘んでもらいます。摘んだら食べ放題ですよ。
食べ放題 That's amazing. We can eat as many as we want. すごい楽しみです。Let's go pick some mikans.
ちょっと高めの
はい。
こういう風に垂れ下がってるみかん。この枝が細い方がみかんは美味しいんですよ。太陽が直接当たるみかんが美味しいので、そういうところの色のいいみかんを摘んでください。そして摘み方は木から切り離して手元に持ってきたら、
はい。
このみかんのギリギリのところをもう一度摘みます。そして手でこう触ってみて引っかからないぐらいに短く切って、ここが長かったらその周りのみかんに傷をつけるので、
なるほどね。
これが二度摘みと言います。
はい。
That's so cool to see how they actually cut it to look like what you get in the store. 面白いね。
こういうちょっとボコボコっとなってるおみかんが甘いんです。
おお、ボコボコがいいんですか？
ボコボコ、ここら辺がボコボコっとなってツルツルじゃないでしょう。
これが何みかんでしたっけ？温
温
州
州み
みかん。
かんの宮川早生っていう種類です。
へえ、そうなんだ。じゃあいろんな時期があるんですね。
2種類ぐらいあります。
Alright, let's try picking our very own mikans. Okay, let's see if we can do it properly. So we want to take one that's hanging downward as much as possible.
Oh, it's
You
pretty
got
easy,
one?
Yeah.
Cut it from the top.
From the top. Oh, there you go.
It cuts really easily,
Yeah,
actually.
It is.
We got it.
Just really love how good it smells.
Doesn't it smell amazing?
Yeah, it does.
Some parts of Japan, they'll put, especially in the New Year's season, they'll use mikan and put it in the bathtub, and it smells amazing. We've just finished picking our oranges. で、次は何をしますか？
次は取り立てのみかんをジュースにしますか？
ぜひ！
はい。
We get to make fresh Mikan orange juice. Now let's press the Mikan oranges. Here we go. すごい! It's such a dark color.
1個分ですよこれ。
You're gonna need a lot of Mikan to make a full cup because this is only one Mikan. But luckily we picked so many. We have 2 basketfuls, so we can have some juice today.
Oh, so much juice. This is super efficient.
Oh, the sun is shining now. Here's our glowing glass of freshly squeezed Mikan juice. This color is amazing. It's so rich. It's not like that pale yellow color. It's a rich orange. Okay, well, let's try.
Kanpai.
Our freshly juiced, hand-picked Mikan oranges. Kanpai!
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
I like how it has a little bit of sourness in it.
It is so good.
Very, very refreshing.
Oh my goodness. This is, it's a little
Yeah,
bit
it-
sour,
yeah.
but it's also very sweet.
Straight from the farm.
It's almost like eating a whole bunch of Mikan oranges. It
At
kinda
one go, right?
At one go. It just tastes like that. But anyway, next, we're gonna be taking these amazing oranges and making our very own marmalade. Cannot wait. Konnichiwa.
こんにちは。ようこそおいでいただきました。
ありがとうございます。
今日はここのみかんの花工房で作りましたみかんやママレードを使ったお弁当を用意しておりますので、どうぞ召し上がってください。それであちらにあります鶏肉はオリーブオイルで焼いて、それでママレードで味付けしてます。
Marmalade as a flavoring. That's gonna be so good.
おにぎりはそのみかん寿司で、ちっちゃいみかんの皮がね、少しずつ入ってます。
ありがとうございます。
はい
すごい美味しそうです。
はい、どうぞ。
いただきます。
It's kind of sour, but very refreshing.
It's really, really good. I've never tried anything like this before.
I mean, it does taste like sushi rice.
It
in a
does.
way.
That's fantastic. This is a really good dish. Let's take a bite of some local mikan. Here we go. A little messy,
So juicy.
super juicy. Oh, I don't even need to drink anything with this meal. You get a lot of hydration. And speaking of oranges, once we finish up our delicious mikan meal, we have one more activity to do today. We're gonna make marmalade!
私の畑で採ったみかんをマーマレードにしたいと思います。
はい
八幡浜市が今マーマレードに力を入れてまして、
はい。
世界マーマレード大会の時のエプロンです。
あ、すごい!
マーマレードは必ず皮を入れて、この皮の苦味を楽しむためのものです。だから苦くないとマーマレードじゃないなと私は思います。
So basically, we want to cut up these slices as small as possible. We don't use any machinery, so we're just gonna cut them up really small and put them in the pot. And that becomes the marmalade. じゃあ入れちゃっていいですか?
入れて
Okay.
から火をつけてください。
はい. Here we go. Gonna pour in the mikan. So next, we're gonna take all of these mikan peels and we're gonna put them in this water, which is already over the heat.
Okay, so we're adding lemon into the mikan. Apparently, this is a very important process in marmalade making, but later you're gonna take out once it is cooked.
This is 1 kilogram of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. But first we're gonna put in half and then we'll kind of stir it in and then at the end we'll put everything in. Just a kilogram
I
of
know
sugar makes the medicine go down.
So this this is the last step. We're gonna put the lid on and it's done.
It looks so beautiful. And now what we get to do is we get to make our very own personalized labels for it. I feel like I'm in elementary school again.
Yeah, I know. And I only, everything's orange. So we have 3 jars of marmalade here, and all 3 of them are using different types of mikan. Yeah.
And we're gonna compare how these gold star winning marmalades compare to the one that we
Ours.
made today.
Let's
But
try.
first, let's try ours.
Put it
We've
on
got
the bread.
some lovely, fresh Japanese bread.
It's still warm. So good.
Oh my goodness. I think the thing that stands out to me about our marmalade is it does have that bitterness of the peel, but it's such a nice balance with the
Yeah.
sweetness and,
And
the
the sourness.
sourness.
Yeah, I know.
And I think the bread balances out all of
Yeah.
that flavor. It's really good. Okay,
So we are having kawachi bankan by Yano-san.
yes, made by Yano-san with
One that
her
we
very
just went
own.
this morning.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see how
Okay.
hers tastes.
Okay, this is much more bitter.
Whoa.
It has a very tangy taste of the mikan peel.
You're right. I want to say it reminds me of like a cough drop. You know, like a when you have a sore throat and you have like a honey lemon cough drop. It tastes like that, but in a really good way. It's very like comforting. And I think it goes really well with the bread too. This is our other one. This is the Natsu Mikan marmalade. It does look totally different. She uses thick cut pieces of orange. This is so unique.
Yeah, it's very interesting. It has like a herb. Somehow it tastes like herb to me.
It is a little herbal tasting, and I think it has a stronger bitterness than any of them. Very mature flavor.
I like it.
So this is a marmalade made by Nagai-san over there, who also helped us cook today. And she uses
Iyokan.
Iyokan.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a type of orange called Iyokan.
It's very mild. Oh, I think children would love this one for sure.
You know, this goes really well with bread, I think.
Yeah, it does. It does.
This has been such a wonderful day, and what
Thanks
an
for
amazing
inviting
tour.
me.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much for having me. It was such a wholesome afternoon. We went to the Mikan farm and picked lots of Mikan, vitamin C, and I loved the lunch. It was so nutritious, right? The bento lunch.
was. So if you guys are interested in joining the Eat Meet Japan award-winning experience that is this tour, you can actually check it out on buyfood.com, and the links will be down below. And of course, don't forget to keep following me and Cheesie. We're both Eat Meet Japan ambassadors. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys very soon in another video. See you!